In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate AliExpress, making online shopping a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the world of e-commerce, understanding how to make the most out of this platform can enhance your overall experience. So let's dive in and get started. The very first thing you'll need to do is go to AliExpress. Simply open your web browser and type in aliexpress.com. Hit enter and the website should load up on your screen. AliExpress is a vast marketplace with millions of products listed, so the first glance might be slightly overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll break it down together. Once you're on the home page, it's time to browse and select a product. You can do this by either using the search bar at the top to type in specific products or categories you're interested in, or by navigating through the categories listed. Take your time here. Once you've found something you're interested in, click on the product to get more details. Here you'll see various important information like the price, customer reviews, shipping details, and more. Now, as you browse through the product page, take a close look at the Sold By section, which shows the seller's name. This is your gateway for more personalized inquiries or negotiations. Here, simply click on the name of the seller. This will lead you to the seller's profile where you get to know a bit more about them, such as their ratings and the number of transactions they have completed. All these insights can be very helpful in making sure you're dealing with a reputable seller. When you're ready to reach out, look towards the upper right corner of the page, and you should see an option that says Contact Now. Clicking on this prompts an interface where you can type your message to the seller. This is particularly useful if you have specific questions about the product or if you're interested in making inquiries concerning bulk purchases or personalized orders. Remember to keep your messages clear and concise, but also polite. A good approach would be to introduce yourself briefly and then move to your query. Sellers are usually responsive, but give them some time to reply, keeping in mind potential time zone differences. Once you've contacted the seller or completed your perusal, the process is pretty much done. You've successfully navigated through AliExpress, selected a product, and even reached out to a seller. Shopping online should feel straightforward and enjoyable. And with the right techniques, it can indeed be a stress-free experience. I hope this guide has been helpful in crafting a seamless path for you in the bustling world of e-commerce. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.